You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned. More country names that are confusing, stay tuned. In English, the pronunciation, if you want to learn how it's pronounced locally, I have a video for you, I'll link to it at the end of this one. In English, the pronunciation is as East Timor, not Timor, Timor, East Timor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.